Hi one and all, welcome to Laksham Academy. I am Uma Prasad's director, Karimnagar. As you know, the candidates for Constable SI, the aspirants are eagerly waiting for English medium batches, and we are proudly announcing our English medium batch. The batch starts from January 4th, and the English medium students, before joining, you should keep 3 points in mind. First thing, whether the institution conducted English medium batches in the previous notification or not. Second thing, how many jobs they got from English medium. Third thing, do they have special faculty for English medium or not. And whereas from Laksham Academy, from 2018 notification of Constable SI, for prelims and mains, we conducted classes in English for English medium aspirants, and we got 21 jobs out of that. And this time also we are proudly announcing English medium batch, and we have the best faculty. As you know, for Constable SI, the batch starts from January 4th for English medium especially. And for Constable, arithmetic is most important. For arithmetic, we have state fame faculty, arithmetic shortcut specialist Naresh sir. As you know, we have so many classes in our YouTube channel. And for second thing is reasoning, senior faculty we have Rachakonda Sridhar sir, and he is expert in reasoning. And not only that, we have backup faculty reasoning Srinivas sir, and the sir you will conduct exam, prepare question papers, conduct exams, and explain you in shortcut. Okay, and he is available around the class in our campus. And for English medium, we have study hall also in our campus. And most important subject, Telangana history and movement. For this, we have senior faculty Varaprasad sir. He comes from Warangal. Okay, and he takes classes for civils prelims class also. He is taking in Warangal. So not only that, we have another important subject, Indian polity, and N Devendra sir, he comes from Hyderabad, and he is taking classes since from 4 years in our institution in English only. And not only that, next subject, physical science. As you know, in the last notification around 14-15 questions came from physical science. Ashok sir, Andhra Joshi columnist, he takes English medium classes, physical science. And for bioscience, we have senior faculty Krishna sir is available. And not only that, for Indian geography and Telangana geography, Spadam Sudhakar sir, Telangana AP state fame faculty is available in our institution. And for Indian history, Madhukar sir is there. Not only that, and for Telangana culture, Ramesh sir is available. He is taking classes from last 4 years in our institution. And another important subject, as you know, English, 20 marks comes from English. Srinath sir comes from Hyderabad. For GK current affairs, English medium faculty, Shekhar Reddy sir is available. He takes classes for English medium students also. And for science and technology, myself, Uma Prasad. And last but not least, economy, Telangana economy and Indian economy, Sohel sir is available. So this is the team of faculties who taking classes for English medium aspirants. So the English medium batch starts from January 4th. And for English medium batches, daily exam we conduct. We conduct exams on daily basis. Not only that, every Sunday 200 marks grand test also we are conducting for English medium students. So those who want to join, the admissions are in progress. The batch starts from January 4th, and we have hostel facility also. Okay. For enquiries and for more information, contact Laksham Academy 73966 23246. Subscribe our channel. Please share it to your friends. Thank you one and all.